Okay, guys, there's about to be a siren test. What? There's a 2001 130 by the right of me. Well, it's just down the street. One down the street. It's gonna test. I can't wait. It's the 2001 130 siren that you will hear in this video. 11:59. Is it gonna turn 12? Yes! Excuse me? Oh! You can hear it! I hear the Thunderbolt! I hear the Thunderbolt just to north of me! Holy crap! You can hear the Thunderbolt just north! Oh! Holy crap! I can hear the Thunderbolt. Do you hear it?
I do.
It's about 4-5 port. 4-5 port Firebolt. And a 5. Wow! Wow! Oh! Holy crap! Do you hear this, guys? There's a Thunderbolt over there and a 2001 130 over there. Oh! It's about a 3-minute alert. I'm recording this. It's all on cam. Nothing better than a day with tornado sirens. You can hear it. Oh my gosh! Yeah! Part 2! Oh! We got that! We got that! There we go! That was a cool test! I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Bye!